All right, this is Operation Anvil, Russia, turn 6. Before we go into the movement uh, or buying phase, we have to sort out the Lend-Lease for last round. Russia is not at war with Japan at the moment, so we have to roll one die for the Lend-Lease. It's just 3, and that's another 2 IPCs to spend in this turn. Um, hmm. Then I have 36 to spend. Mm-hmm. What to buy? Well, I'm switching this artillery with another tank. So I'm buying 2 tanks for 12, 3 artillery for another 12, and 4 infantry for another 12. That's 36. I have 1 combat, and that is for Belarus, 1 infantry from Smolensk, and 2 infantry from Bryansk, and 1 artillery attacking 2 German tanks. So I have 3 infantry. That is 1 unsupported, 2 supported, and artillery. Defending, 2 tanks. 1 hit each. We go again. And again, 1 hit each. So I take Belarus with 1 artillery and 1 infantry. And some non-combat. 3 infantry from Western Ukraine going to Bryansk. 1 infantry from Ukraine into Bryansk. 2 infantry from Stalingrad is railing. 1, 2 to Bryansk. 1 artillery is driving. Two infantry from Euro is going into Vologda. 2 infantry from Vologda is going to Smolensk. And 3 infantry and 2 artillery is going into Smolensk. And placement of units. 3 infantry is going down to Bryansk. And 2 tanks and 2 artillery in Moscow. Mm-hmm. And another artillery and 1 infantry in Moscow. Disposition of forces. In Sakar, that is 12 infantry, 1 AAA, 2 artillery. Tunguska, 5 infantry, 1 AAA. Vologda, 2 infantry. Moscow, 2 tanks, 1 infantry, 3 artillery. Smolensk, 5 infantry, 2 artillery. Belarus, 1 infantry, 1 artillery. Bryansk, 6, 8, 9 infantry and 1 artillery. Western Ukraine, 1 infantry. Ukraine, 1 infantry. Sea Zone 115, 1 submarine, 1 cruiser. Sea Zone 100, 1 destroyer, and 1 cruiser. I'm at 32 on the income tracker. 20, 30, 1, 2. And I get 3 IPCs for controlling Siberia, Urals, and Ukraine. And I get the Lend-Lease again. A 2, and that is a mechanized in Amur. So in addition to a troop disposition, there's 1 mechanized in Amur. That is all for Russia. Now it's Japan. Das Vidania.